Hello everyone, welcome to the Be Bright session classes. So today we are starting a brand new journey into artificial intelligence, AI. You all are aware that AI is everywhere right now, from the apps you use to the cars on the road. But let's clear one big misconception that many people think using ChatGPT means they know AI, isn't it? But AI is much bigger. And ChatGPT is just one application of AI. And even not ChatGPT, there are many other applications, right, which are nowadays similar as like ChatGPT and gives you lot of other options to have conversations or to give you response. So like ChatGPT you have, if you open Claude, which is another product, a company Anthropic, a US company, which also give you the similar option, and very famous if you open Grok and you know the name, the person, right? Elon Musk, which provide you this sort of option for the same, or you have Copilot. This is the Microsoft product. You have Perplexity. There's another product which is running in India itself, or Google Gemini, right? So there are a lot of option in the chart. First, let's understand the AI, right? At its core, AI is about teaching machines to mimic human intelligence, to learn lesson and make decisions. So in real world example, if you understand the AI, if you open Netflix, right? What it does, recommends movie you like. If you open Amazon, right, to buy some products, it suggests products you didn't even know you needed. You heard the name Tesla, right? So that car drives itself using AI powered vision, or Siri or Alexa, right? Respond your voices and learns from you. So there are a lot of AI example. So as I said, AI is about teaching machines to mimic as human intelligence, right? That is AI. Now, when we talk about AI, there are many areas in AI, but two key branches are super important nowadays. One is Gen AI, which is called Generative AI, and another is Agentic AI. Now, you will surprise what is Generative AI. So, AI that creates new things based on the patterns from existing data. Whatever data you feed it, and then you ask something to create by giving your prompt, that is Gen AI, right? Like creating outputs in form of text, image, audio, video, or even coding, right? So let me give you an example. If you open a product like Sora, which is given by OpenAI, the company which also provides ChatGPT, it gives you option to give a prompt here, and you can create images or videos, right? Or there are other stuff. Same as you have Runway ML. Again, you can give a prompt, and therefrom you can generate video, images, audios, lip syncing. There are a lot of products. These all are Gen AI tools. There is another MidJourney. See, you can give a prompt, you can generate images. There are another tool like 11 Labs. You can give a prompt and you can give a text to speech to speech, like one language to another, or voice cloning if you want to change a voice of a AI. So there are lot many Gen AI tools currently in the market. And the another area is Agentic AI. Now, what is Agentic AI? That doesn't generate but also act independently, which is autonomous AI, right? It can plan, it can use tools and execute tasks on its own. Let's take example. Imagine an AI assistant that not only answers your email but also books your flight, maybe create a presentation, maybe updates your calendar. So that means as a assistant, it's helping you, right? By using different tools that could be your own computer tools or third party tools. As I said, sending emails or booking flights, right? Purchasing on your behalf, so those sort of stuff. Let me give you one example. So if you open one tool which is Agent GPT, right? And it gives you sort of form like Research GPT, Travel GPT, Study GPT. It is already an inbuilt tool. You just need to ask what exactly you want to do that. You just need to write down that, for example, plan a detailed trip to Hawaii, right? You can run. Then it will create a complete itinerary for you. It will convert into that PDF and it will send to you as well. Even though if you give a permission, it can book flights for you as well. So all these sort of stuff, is it Agentic AI? In this class, we will keep focusing on Agentic AI stuff, right? But starting with basic concepts. So now let's deep dive into one of the AI company, which is OpenAI, which we were talking initially, ChatGPT, and understand how we will use to make our own AI agents by using the company OpenAI. Now, if you open website, which is this openai.com, and you see on the left side there are option like for business purpose, for developer purpose, ChatGPT, Sora, the tool which I was showing you earlier. So there are a lot of options what OpenAI provides. And what we will use, if you click on for developers, and for developers, you will get an option API platform. That means OpenAI provides their APIs to use and create the AI agents. That means the prompt we can send from our code, and through those API, that prompt goes to their models. We will discuss what are the models, but models which process the data and send back to you the response. Right. Now, there is another URL called platform.openai.com. Just go here and do the sign up. Right. And you will get a account, but let me tell you, it's a paid account. So initially, if you want to learn, you can spend $2 to $3, right? That is something we can do to create our own AI agent, to learn the AI, how the AI works. That is something we can. Fine. So you can sign up as I did, and you can create your own account. I'll show you how it look like. But before going into depth, I just want to showcase the models. If we start looking from the top, these are the latest model what provided by the OpenAI company, GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini or GPT-5 Nano. So Mini and Nano are the variant, the small variant of the GPT-5. And then if you scroll down, you will find few other models as well, like O3D, O4 Mini, GPT Image. So every model uses for different purpose. Like O3 Deep Research, as you can understand by the name, GPT-5 Image for image creation, for Mini TTS, text to speech, right? Then transcribe or mini transcribe. So we have different models for different use case. So we will use couple of models in different use case in our upcoming classes. Now, as I said, you can do the sign up on the OpenAI, and how the dashboard look like, I just want to showcase. Let me open the OpenAI dashboard. So when you log in and create a project, right? So it will look like this. And in the left side, there are a lot of options like text generation, image, vision, and all, right? But we will deep dive all those options in our next class. And apart from OpenAI platform, we will also understand the Azure AI Foundry. As you can see, the Azure AI Foundry is another way of creating your AI agents. It also provides a lot of options. It's a complete platform which uses different models. So in the next class, we will do some practical sessions, and we will also understand some key terminologies and how they understand your prompt in terms of tokenization, how they remember in terms of the context window or the parameters. So just a recap, what we have understand so far, that AI is not only some of the chat windows. AI is bigger than that. AI is again machine that think, learn, and decide like humans, right? And as I said, AI has two major chunks: generative AI and agentic AI. We have seen couple of use cases of generative AI and agentic AI as well, right? All right. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you, guys.